Across islands and oceans, a quiet storm grew. Families torn apart, searching for truth. In homes once so warm, now silent and cold. Stories of struggle, too heavy to hold. Lost in the distance, lives rearranged. Longing for normal, but nothing's the same. In the Maldives and far-off lands, the weight of the world falls heavy on hands. Waves of healing, we're waiting for light, reaching for hope in the dark of the night. Together we rise, hearts open wide. Through the struggle, we learn to survive. Faces behind walls, voices unheard, dreams put on hold, peace deferred. But we find our way, a step at a time, breaking the silence, letting love shine. In every family, in every tear, a story of courage, facing fear. The world is changing, the scars may stay, but healing comes slowly, day by day. Waves of healing, we're waiting for light, reaching for hope in the dark of the night. Together we rise, hearts open wide. Through the struggle, we learn to survive. Let's lift each other, break down the walls. No shame in the silence, answer the call. The world united, hand in hand. Together we're stronger, we understand. Waves of healing, we're waiting for light, reaching for hope in the dark of the night. Together we rise, hearts open wide. Through the struggle, we learn to survive. From the Maldives to every shore, a promise to heal forevermore. In every heart, a spark of grace. Together we'll find our